Can you answer 50 English questions without translating in your head? Let's test your English brain right now. I will ask you questions 1 to 40. We'll pause for 3 seconds. Then you answer out loud before I give the answer. From questions 41 to 50, answer a bit faster, with about a 2-second pause. Do not think in your language. Don't try to be perfect. Just speak. Question 1. What did you do this morning? You can pause for 3 seconds to answer. Then you can say, I woke up, got ready, and started my day. Repeat, I woke up, got ready, and started my day. Good, if you answered, you already started thinking in English. Now let's continue. Welcome back to English Unlocked, the Fluency Podcast. I'm Adam. Today, you will answer 50 real-life English questions. You will hear the question. You will answer first, then I will give you a natural answer. Repeat the answer with me. Ready? Let's unlock your English fluency. Round 1. Easy daily questions. Question 1. How are you today? I'm good, but a little tired. Repeat. I'm good, but a little tired. Question 2. What time did you wake up today? I woke up around 7 o'clock. Repeat. I woke up around 7 o'clock. Question 3. Did you have breakfast? Yes, I had something simple. Repeat. Yes, I had something simple. Question 4. What do you usually drink in the morning? I usually drink coffee in the morning. Repeat. I usually drink coffee in the morning. Question 5. Are you busy today? Yes, I have a few things to do. Repeat. Yes, I have a few things to do. Great. That was the warm-up. If you are speaking out loud, you are doing it correctly. Round 2. Small talk questions. Question 6. How was your day? It was good, but quite busy. Repeat. It was good, but quite busy. Question 7. What do you do in your free time? I like to relax, watch videos, and learn English. Repeat. I like to relax, watch videos, and learn English. Question 8. Do you like learning English? Yes, I do. I want to speak more confidently. Repeat. Yes, I do. I want to speak more confidently. Question 9. What kind of weather do you like? I like sunny weather because it gives me energy. Repeat. I like sunny weather because it gives me energy. Question 10. Do you prefer coffee or tea? I prefer coffee, but I also like tea sometimes. Repeat. I prefer coffee, but I also like tea sometimes. Nice. You have finished 10 questions. Only 40 more to go. Keep speaking. Do not stop now. Round 3. Real-life answers. Question 11. What do you do when you feel tired? I take a short break and try to relax. Repeat. I take a short break and try to relax. Question 12. What do you do when you are hungry? I eat something quick or make a simple meal. Repeat. I eat something quick or make a simple meal. Question 13. What do you do when you are late? I hurry up and try not to panic. Repeat. I hurry up and try not to panic. Question 14. What do you say when you do not understand? I say, sorry, could you say that again? Repeat. Sorry. Could you say that again? Question 15. What do you say when you need help? I say, could you help me with this? Repeat. Could you help me with this? Excellent. These answers are useful in real conversations. Question 16. What do you say when you agree? I agree with you. Repeat. I agree with you. Question 17. What do you say when you are not sure? I'm not sure, but I think so. Repeat. I'm not sure, but I think so. Question 18. What do you say when you need more time? Can I have a little more time? Repeat. Can I have a little more time? Question 19. What do you say when something is difficult? It's difficult, but I can try. Repeat. It's difficult, but I can try. Question 20. What do you say when you make a mistake? Sorry, let me try again. Repeat. Sorry, let me try again. Great job. You have finished 20 questions. Your English brain is warming up. Round 4. Think in English. Questions. Now answer faster. Question 21. Why are you learning English? I'm learning English because I want better opportunities. Repeat. I'm learning English because I want better opportunities. Question 22. What is difficult for you in English? Speaking quickly is difficult for me. Repeat. Speaking quickly is difficult for me. Question 23. What helps you improve your English? Listening and repeating every day helps me improve. Repeat. Listening and repeating every day helps me improve. Question 24. How often do you practice English? I try to practice a little every day. Repeat. I try to practice a little every day. Question 25. What is your English goal? My goal is to speak naturally and confidently. Repeat. My goal is to speak naturally and confidently. Halfway done, you answered 25 questions. Take a breath. Now keep going. Question 26. Do you translate in your head? Sometimes I do, but I'm trying to stop. Repeat. Sometimes I do, but I'm trying to stop. Question 27. How can you stop translating? I can repeat simple English sentences every day. Repeat. I can repeat simple English sentences every day. Question 28. What should you do if you forget a word? I should explain it in a simple way. Repeat. I should explain it in a simple way. Question 29. What should you do if you feel nervous? I should slow down and keep speaking. Repeat. I should slow down and keep speaking. Question 30. What makes you feel more confident? Practice makes me feel more confident. Repeat. Practice makes me feel more confident. Excellent. You are not just listening. You are training your mouth to speak. Round 5. Daily conversation. Questions. Question 31. What are you doing later today? Later today, I'm going to finish some work. Repeat. Later today, I'm going to finish some work. Question 32. What did you do yesterday? Yesterday, I worked, studied, and relaxed at home. Repeat. Yesterday, I worked, studied, and relaxed at home. Question 33. What are you planning to do tomorrow? Tomorrow, I'm planning to start my day early. Repeat. Tomorrow, I'm planning to start my day early. Question 34. What do you usually do after work or study? I usually rest, eat dinner, and watch something. Repeat. I usually rest, eat dinner, and watch something. Question 35. What do you do before you sleep? Before I sleep, I try to relax and clear my mind. Repeat. Before I sleep, I try to relax and clear my mind. Good. These are real answers you can use every day. Question 36. What kind of food do you like? I like simple food that tastes good. Repeat. I like simple food that tastes good. Question 37. Where do you usually buy food? I usually buy food from a supermarket nearby. Repeat. I usually buy food from a supermarket nearby. Question 38. How do you usually travel around your city? I usually travel by car, bus, or on foot. Repeat. I usually travel by car, bus, or on foot. Question 39. What do you do when you have free time? When I have free time, I like to relax and recharge. Repeat. When I have free time, I like to relax and recharge. Question 40. What do you do when you feel stressed? I take a deep breath and focus on one thing. Repeat. I take a deep breath and focus on one thing. Amazing! You have answered 40 questions, only 10 left. This is the final round. Round 6. Speed Challenge. Now I will ask 10 quick questions. Answer quickly, then repeat my answer. Question 41. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Repeat. Yes, I'm ready. Question 42. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English step by step. Repeat. Yes, I can speak English step by step. Can you improve your speaking? Yes, I can improve with daily practice. Repeat. Yes, I can improve with daily practice. Question 44. Do you need perfect English? No, I need clear and confident English. Repeat. No, I need clear and confident English. Question 45. What should you do every day? I should listen, repeat, and speak out loud. Repeat. I should listen, repeat, and speak out loud. Question 46. What happens when you practice? My English becomes faster and more natural. Repeat. My English becomes faster and more natural. Question 47. What should you do when speaking feels hard? I should keep going and not give up. Repeat. I should keep going and not give up. Question 48. Can you think in English? Yes, I can train my brain to think in English. Repeat. Yes, I can train my brain to think in English. Question 49. What is one simple rule? Speak first, fix later. Repeat. Speak first, fix later. Question 50. What will you do after this lesson? I will practice again and speak more English. Repeat. I will practice again and speak more English. Excellent work. You answered 50 English questions. You did not just watch this video. You trained your brain, you trained your mouth, you practiced answering without translating. Final shadowing challenge. Now repeat this short paragraph after me. I can answer simple English questions. I do not need to translate every word. I can speak slowly and clearly. If I make a mistake, I can try again. Every day, my English becomes more natural. I will keep listening. I will keep repeating. I will keep speaking. Great job! Before you go, write your answer in the comments. Answer this question. Why are you learning English? You can write, I'm learning English because I want to speak confidently. Or, I'm learning English because I want better opportunities. Or write your own answer. Thank you for practicing with me today. This is English Unlocked, the Fluency Podcast. I'm Adam. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself, and keep unlocking your English fluency. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.